Hey guys, Joffrey Ward here and welcome to this video. First of all, my name is Joffrey Ward. I am an internet marketer, and if you like videos about making money online and how to make money online, different stuff that you can do, blogs, PayPal money, which we're going to be talking about today, print on demand, anything like that, you want to subscribe to this channel today, probably right now, because I'm going to be giving out some good information on those things. Also, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love the information I'm going to give you today. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You'll be notified when I drop a new video. Today I'm going to be talking about free PayPal money. It's something that I've been talking about in the last 3 months, but I'm just going to cap it off because I have a free PayPal money course that I'm getting ready to create showing you how I'm using YouTube, Pinterest, all these other sites in order to make this free PayPal money. So this is probably going to be my first and last video that I'm going to do about PayPal money in 2019, even though we're still in 2018 right now. So you definitely want to pay attention to everything I give you, because that next course is going to be full pack of information, information that I probably don't share on my YouTube, but I'm going to share probably about 80% of it on this video right now. So first of all, and let me start with one that that I've been talking about all year, and that's Dash. And people say, why you keep promoting Dash? Why you keep talking about Dash? Because Dash pays. They not only pay to your PayPal account, but you can actually transfer money to your bank account, which I have done, just in this last year. And it's pretty simple to do, and it's probably the easiest way to make money. So there's people like, why you keep talking about Dash? Because Dash pays. I'm not gonna give you something that I haven't been paid by. So I mean, I don't think that's right to promote something that you're not currently using to make money. So that's why I'm so high on Dash. And so you can just see the last past Dash payments to my PayPal account. And like I told you guys, I don't send more than $100 to my PayPal account using Dash, being that Dash is a new company and PayPal really doesn't like internet marketers and new companies. So to protect myself from getting having my account on hold or having my account shut down, I usually go for the $100 payments. I usually transfer them directly to my bank account. So, and Dash lets you do that within the app. So Dash is a cashback app. Pretty simple. You just download the app through the link in the description below. I have the link in the description below where you can just download it. And I actually have my code, and if my code beside that link. So when you look in the description below, you'll see the link and then the code. You want to use that code. When you enter in that code, you're going to get $5 automatically. It's just a gift from me to you. Just to referring you to the app. So you're going to get $5 automatically in your account. So the only thing you need to do is you need to get a balance of at least $25 in your first cash back in order to withdraw your balance to your PayPal account or either to your bank account. So what that means is, you can see right here, I went to Papa John's. Papa John's is in the app. So let me just show you how this is going to look. So right here they have nearby, and this is very, very old. The app has updated. It doesn't even look like this anymore. This is a screenshot that I've had since August. They have updated the app. They have so many ways that you can get cash back at these stores, and they have updated their stores. I mean, the app is, just being a part of the app for about maybe a year and a half. They have put a whole lot of work into it to make this app very, very great. So like I said, once you download the app through my link and use my code, you're going to get $5. That $5 is in your wallet. So all you have to do is, like I said, get $20 more. So you can go out to one of these stores. They have more stores than what I'm showing you on this screenshot right here. Depending on your area, when you download the app, you can just look through the stores and see which ones you shop at. Now you have to link a verified card. This is very, very important. Credit or debit card, or even a prepaid card. I have a prepaid card on there. So once you link that card, you go out and use that card like you would normally do, and they've even did an update where you can actually shop online and get cash back just by using your card. Usually with Dash, you have to go to the online tab and then go through the app. You don't have to do that anymore. When your card is linked, you just go online shopping, and if that company is in the online portion of the app, which means it shows you a cash back sign. So you see right here, Payless has 5% cash back. If these companies that are on the online portion of the app, and you buy it off the store just by using your card, you're going to get cash back as well. That's something that people have been asking about for a very long time. So this is very, very important that you link a verified card. That's very, very important in order for you to make the free PayPal money that you're trying to make. Once you get your first cash back, Then you can start referring people. You can see right here that I have, and these, like I said, these are very, very old screenshots. I've made a whole lot more money than this in the past probably month. You can just see $5 bonuses that's coming in. It's just for referring people. So when you refer people, they're going to get $5 and you're going to get $5. So both of you guys are winning. So this is a very, very good way for you to make free PayPal money. So once you start doing that, once you get your cash back, you start showing people, hey, I'm getting cash back by shopping at stores. I'm making money shopping at stores. You start showing them how to do it. They do it. And then they link their verified card and you get $5. They get $5. Everybody wins. And then you go out and you just continue doing that. I'm promoting with Pinterest. I'll leave a link to my Pinterest course. I've said this in many videos. I'm just giving you a refresher because it is the end of the year. So you start making free PayPal money. You send that money directly to your PayPal account, and that's free PayPal cash just straight up to you. So it's pretty simple. When you transfer, it takes about a day. It takes about a day with Dash. I can usually put in a transfer and it transfer within a day. The same thing with if you transfer it to your bank account. Like I said, you can transfer it to your bank account or to your PayPal account. Both of those ways are legit that you can do that as well. Your PayPal account, to my knowledge, does not have to be verified. So I know that's something that people have been asking me. It doesn't have to be verified, but that's the way that you can do that. So that's Dodge. You can just see right here, $25 payment, another $25 payment, 30, 40. Let me refresh just so you can know that this is my account. You know, like I said, I'm showing you actual proof that this does work. I'm not showing you something that's not working for me. So let me go to payments received. And you just see, just like that. So the other one is Front 2. Front 2, you will have to go to, I'll leave a link in there. You have to download the APK. It's not available on Google Play anymore. I have earned a lot of money. And this is Tango Card Inc. You just see the $10 coming in. Tango Card Inc., not Tango Card Inc., but Front 2, which is the owner. Well, Tango Card Inc. is where they, submit their payments to. Just Front 2 is an app where you can just put ads on your screensaver. You click those ads and then you get points, and you can transfer those points into PayPal, Target, Visa, prepaid, Google Play gift card, Amazon gift card. It's a lot of gift cards that you can get right here. And you use my code FreeMoneyCode in order to do that. You get 1,250 points to start you off when you use my code FreeMoneyCode. That'll be in the description below as well. And you just get started like that. QMe is a survey site. And I actually have 2 other survey sites that I use in conjunction with QMe that I'm going to leave in the description below as well. Those sites, they some of those sites send checks to your house. So which meaning that is really not PayPal money, but in the recent, actually one of the survey sites, let me just be honest with you guys, stopped using PayPal because of the thing that I was telling you in the beginning of the video. They had problems paying their new company, so they had problems paying their customers. Paying their people that take their surveys and affiliates. They had problems paying them through PayPal, so they took it off PayPal and they just do check now. So I'm going to leave a link to that, so if you just want to get money to your household and just it's not going to be a lot of money, maybe $400, maybe $100. The most I've had through this survey company is $200, something like that. It's every now and then money, and this stuff is not going to make you a millionaire if you don't put in the work. Most of the time this stuff is on autopilot for me, so I really don't do as much as I used to because I have a t-shirt company. I have other companies that I have to run, and have other stuff that I'm doing as far as online goes and e-commerce and all that. So I don't have as much time as to devote to this, but you guys are probably going to have a lot of more time to devote to that, and to devote to making money online with this as me. So that those 2 survey companies send checks to your house. One of them still does play through PayPal. So altogether, that's about 5 companies that I'm going to have links in the description below where you can go ahead and check them out, that I make constant free PayPal money with. Constant. When I say constant, comes in every day, every week, every weekend. Sometimes I forget about it and it just surprise me. This money can help you make at least a little extra money so that you can actually build an online income, and then start spreading your wings into other stuff. So this is just like a starting point. So I'm gonna leave those 2 companies along with the other 2 I just discussed in this video. Altogether, it's about 4 companies that pay free PayPal money in 2019 that you can give free money to your PayPal account instantly if you do these things that I'm telling you to do. So that's all I got for you guys. This video is already about 10 minutes long. If you have any questions, comment them below, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.